she knows.
Alexa.
Alexa!
Look, Lexi. What does the doggy do? What does the doggy do?
Lexi,
What does the doggy do? What does the lion do?
What does the sheep do?
What does the... I got you, Dawn! I got you in our video. Now you're in the video. That was Alexa doing all the animal sounds. She enjoys her books a lot. And she loves reading too, so these are her books. So, and that's a dog. That's Jack.
That's my cousin screaming.
And screaming, yeah. And Jack is barking at the
She's
door.
running back and forth. Alexa!
And thank you, comment,
Comment, like, and subscribe.
Thank you.